Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I want to show you something that is the only solution available in all of WordPress. Now it is in our Divi Dynamic Content Helper, and that's restricting custom fields in the back end of WordPress by user roles. As far as I could find, there was nothing else that did this. And this is a really important feature because you don't want every user role on your site having access to custom fields. So maybe they're editing a page or a post and they click on that backend and there's the fields. And of course, they could modify something accidentally, or maybe they just shouldn't see it. They shouldn't be distracted by seeing it. And it's really, really simple to control that. All you have to do is select a checkbox and control access using our plugin. So I'm going to show you that. Just basically, if you have like advanced custom fields or the regular custom fields or any of the other common custom field plugins, of course, those in the back end, they just always show for all users. I was actually surprised to find this. When I first started working on this, I was like, well, surely not, right? Surely it's just the admin. And then I was surprised to find out, no, it's not. So you probably were unaware of that also if you're watching this video. I was really surprised. Okay, so here I just have a bunch of test fields set up on a demo. This is a field group. If you know how advanced custom fields work, you set up groups of fields. Now I have this one assigned to a page, this particular page, okay? So when I click on, the back end of this page, there are those fields, right? And again, if it's a user role that you don't want to see those, then you go to our plugin, Divi Dynamic Content Helper. It's all about dynamic content and custom fields, and soon it's going to have some really advanced conditions and visual conditions. I think I can tease that. All right, so let's say, for example, I don't want admins. I mean, I'm an admin, so I'm going to have to use myself. You just deselect it and save. It's that simple. So a selected one has access. Kind of think of it as like a check mark is positive, like yes, so those people have access. So now that I deselected administrator user roles, since the user that I'm logged in with right now is an administrator, watch what happens when I refresh the page. And this would be for any role. They're not there. It's that simple. It's really that simple. I can put that back, save changes, and of course, then they will appear again. And by the way, there's a lot of other features in this plugin, and they all revolve around custom fields, dynamic content, and in the future, very soon, on conditional logic, conditions, things like that. So it's all like making your website, it's for power users, right? Making your website dynamic and personalized. And so custom fields, that's why we added this here, because it really related to the other dynamic content features. I mean, think about it. All of these kind of relate. That like global dynamic content, you can link to anywhere on the site and any post or page or next post and page or previous or parent or fallback value, inline variables, all these extra things here what we have. So we thought that it made a lot of sense to add it to this plugin. So we hope that's a nice little bonus feature. Hopefully a lot of you are already using Divi Dynamic Content Helper and you can just enjoy some of these extra features. And we'll talk about this one in a separate video, putting the custom window in the Divi Builder.